Welcome to this video. This is a quick one talking about cost center. Um, so the way cost center works is we can add tag, which is a cost center, to a line in an order or a manual pick. I'll show how to use in a manual pick. We'll leave the cost center in orders for later. On the manual pick, we can add a cost center really easily. I have my test material here, 1, 1, 1, 1. I have a quantity of 18. I'm going to do a quick pick, and I'm going to pick 1, enter, and now I have the cost center. Cost center is not mandatory, is an optional field, and I can type whatever I want. So I can say testing cost center. Now, you might ask, why do I have a drop-down menu? And that's why I can have preset cost centers, so I don't have to type it every single time. Let's do that, actually. If I go to Management, Cost Center, I can add cost centers and as many as I want, and the customer, or the user rather, doesn't have to uh, choose or type every single time the cost center. So I can have line 1, another one, CC, cost center, sales, another one, support. And yeah, again, you can add as many as you want. Um, let's do it now. Let's now do a pick. Pick one cost center. I can now choose which cost center I want. Now, I can still type anything I want, right? And this is the setting inside PowerPick. And I just made a typo. So actually, there's a way to prevent that and strict the user to use only one of these fields. How do I do that? Well, that's under Tools, System Configuration. Let's go to our filter, and I'm going to filter by cost center. So only the settings for cost center are shown. And now you have cost center parameters. And here's what you can tweak. So on pick, the cost center is free text or choice. So if I choose this by choice, I lose the ability of doing free text. I have to strict to the choices that I have. Another thing is the cost center on pick again. It's optional. So that's why you saw it. It was white because it was optional. I can make it compulsory. So this way, the user must pick a cost center. And with this configuration, is going to be only the available options. I cannot make up my own cost center. And these are the same settings exactly for put. Now, keep in mind, by default, PowerPick does not activate cost center for put. But I can come here and change it to be, again, optional or compulsory. But by default, cost center is not active for putaways. Okay, so let's save this parameter. I'm going to restart PowerPick and start again. And let's see how this works now. Manual pick, quantity of 1. Now cost center, if you noticed, is yellow, so it's a mandatory field. And I cannot type, I'm typing on my keyboard, nothing happens. I have to pick one of these. So let's do support, enter. I have my line added, click in process, and 1 unit. Very well. Let's confirm this. Perfect. And now, if I go to my history list, here it is, cost center support, and my transaction is here. So I hope this helped you on your cost center configuration. See you next video. Thank you.